EditorCAD is a software especially for interiors. It is a library-based software. You can import 3D Max model and the 2D plan in it. I'll take a new project. Here we can fill the client details, which will be saved default, which can be needed easier while generating the PDF for the output drawing. Here are the categories according to the area: modern kitchen, traditional, wardrobe, bedroom, children's bedroom, wardrobes, and so on. You can also get the offices and such areas in this. These are the libraries. I'll start with the bedroom demo. We'll select the bedroom and click OK. Here are the bedroom details according to the library. You can select any of the library from here, or else you can change it later. I'll change it later and click OK. These are the plan layout section. You can start with the ground, with one wall, with two walls, or the three. I'll take 3, give the dimensions for the horizontal and the vertical wall. You can keep the floor on, or else you can also put the flooring later. Click layout 5. This is the 2D interface of the software. Here's the plan. Here's the 3D part. You can also work simultaneously with this option. Whatever work you will be doing over here in the 2D interface, it will be automatically be displayed in the 3D. To proceed further and to go in the library, just right click, go in Element Archive. Here's the library for the required category. Here's the share accessories, which is the common library you will get in all the categories. Here I'll select a window. I'll place a window over here. Just place the cursor. Select the window. You'll get the property. Fill the dimension and click OK. Now I'll place a bed. Go in current model. Go in bed glue. Select the required bed. Just double click. Same way I'll place the night. I'll copy the I'll place a wardrobe now. For selecting wardrobe, I'll have to go in model, select secondary model, select the wardrobe, click OK. These are the default sizes, you can change it. Now here's the detail for the wardrobe. You can select the material whatever you want. Here's the option for door type. You can select the door type. Here are the given templates, ready-made default templates. You can select according to you. I'll select this one, click apply and click OK. The same procedure, go in Element Archive, right click, select the required wardrobe, door type according to the height, depth and the width. Select the required wardrobe from the library, double click. Same way I'll place the next thing, dressing table, element, select the I'll place a mirror, now I'll place the flooring. Just go in Archive, select the material, give the dimensions, edit material, give the reflection, set the reflection type, glossy, click OK, click apply, and give the covering to the whole room. Whichever area you want to cover for the flooring, just select the corners. Just give the height from the ground floor. Now, after the flooring, you can place the carpet right now. Go in the library, select the required carpet, click OK, and place it in the plan. Now, to change the material of the bed, you just need to double click on it. We'll get this property, go in 3D components. The whole bed will be exploded individually in different parts. You just need to select the required part. You want to change the material, you can go browse it. You can select the required material for it and click OK.
You can also change the bedsheet color. The part which is getting highlighted in red is the selected one. You can change the bedsheet color, just browse it. Over here in the library you will get different types of materials, bedsheet. You can also import your own JPGs. Just select any of the required material you want. Suppose this. Just click OK. Edit it. Over here is the dimension. You can set the dimension for the bedsheet, how much you want. Just click OK. Now the material has been changed. You can just click OK. See. Now to apply the wall color, you can go in the wall, select paint wall, then select the required wall from the 3D interface. Choose the color for the wall and click OK. The wall color will only be visible after you render the image. Now after placing all the objects, you can place the accessories, required accessories in the room. Same procedure, just right click, go in element archive. You can place a frame, just select the frame, double click on it. Select the required picture from here. Now after placing the frame, we can place some accessories for the side table also. Just place the cursor on it and double click on the accessory, whichever you want to place. You can select picture from here. You can change the direction of the wall, elevation, and place some more accessories on the dressing table too. Suppose place a perfume, just double click on it. Now after placing the accessories, we can create a false ceiling. Go in options, go drop off. Here's the window for creating a ceiling. Here you can set the dimensions for the page size. Click apply. Take the elements from here and draw the ceiling. You can keep the auto on. After drawing, you can click on file, save the thing. This ceiling will be saved in a different format, which can be imported again. After saving, just return to the project. From here you can import the same ceiling which we have saved on the desktop. See, the thing is saved in the SAT format. You can just open it. It will ask for the dimension, thickness for the ceiling. Over here you can set the required dimension for it. You can set the position from ground level at what level you want the ceiling and click OK. After placing the ceiling, you can place a cutout in the ceiling. For that thing, just right click on the screen, element archive. We have options over here for cutting polygon. The first one is for the wall purpose, and the second, you can create a boolean in any of the object or the unit or any of the product. Just select a pillar, click OK, and place the square profile in the plan. You can double click on it and give the dimensions to it. Now after placing the cutting polygon on the ceiling, you just need to select the ceiling, both the ceiling, and go in the option, click on cut element. After that, just delete the cutting polygon. A cutout has been made in the false ceiling. Where you can place the lights. Required lights. For placing light, just right click, go in element archive. Here we have a library for lights too. Here you can set the cursor and just double click on the required spotlight you want. Just click cancel, give a proper position to it. Now to set the intensity for the light, just double click on it. You'll get this dialog box. You can set the intensity. You can set the direction for the hotspot. You can increase and decrease the fall off. You can go in combines. Here you'll get different types of templates for different types of effect of light. You can select any one and just click OK. The intensity of the light has been set now. You can keep the image on ray trace now. On the left hand side, select the camera, select a new point for the room, give the direction to your room. On the right hand side are the keys to move it. You can set the angle according to you. And after that, click on render. Put the view for render. Just retrace it. Here is the wall color. You can change the wall color from here. And the ceiling also. Put the ceiling on. Click on retrace. Retrace is a quick advanced effect which will render quickly and show you the output of it. After the image has been rendered, you can save the image. Now you can go into render. Here's another setting which is an advanced render effect. You can click on D-Ray. It gives a realistic view to the room. D-Ray has two settings, global lighting and sunlight. Keep the sunlight on. You can set the intensity for it. You can give the radius for the room. You can give a temperature. You can set the direction for the window. And just click set the screen resolution and just click OK. D-Ray is an advanced render ray trace. It will take a bit time. By the time the D-Ray is on, you can work on other project. The effect of light, D-Ray code light in the ceiling shows the effect given by before. By the time the D-Ray is on, you can proceed the work further. Here's the option print preview. As you click on it, it will give the option for choice view. You can select the rendered image which we have rendered before. Click OK. Print preview is the option for generating PDF of the output drawings which we have created. All together with the format and company logo. In this way, the PDF been generated. First, you will get the sketch form along with the company logo. Here are the client's detail which we have filled earlier. You will get the rendered view which we have ray traced. Elevation, the side elevation, and the working drawings of the cabinet. This you can export directly into the PDF format from here and just export it. Another very nice option which it has is the calculation of element. In just one click, the whole quotation of the room will be generated and you can export it directly to the Excel sheet. Here are the details of the product which are placed in the room along with the amount. Here you can create the Excel file which can be directly exported all these into the Excel sheet. So feed the specification of each and every object earlier. In this way, the whole Excel sheet is being generated in just one click. Here's the D-Ray which we had been kept before. Placing more of accessories in the room and more of proper lights can beautify the room, and you can get the final output in this way.